Namaste, Gemini. Welcome to your January 3rd week reading. Yes, I'm back with my weeklies now, back on the schedule. And I do realize that all of you, mostly on my channel, are interested in weeklies readings, not the pick a card. So I'll try to keep them as less as possible, okay? All right. I hope you're all fine, Gemini. You had a beautiful reading the last time. It was just a wow, wow, wow all the way. I hope and pray that those I hope and pray that those energies work out in your life soon because they were just gorgeous. I'm going to keep this aside because you already have a flyer. This is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. Always watch your sun, moon, rising sign videos to get a complete and clearer picture about all the energies that are playing out for you. Also, I want to take this moment to thank all of you for all your love and support. Keep it coming. It is the greatest motivator for me. Thank you so much. I'll be happy to tell you that I'm happy to tell you that I will be available for my personal readings. In case you're interested, you'll find my contact details in the description box below the video. You'll also find links to my social media. First my website there in the description box, where you'll find links to my social media, my Facebook and Instagram. So I welcome you all there also. So let's get your two final tarot cards on the table and start your reading. Gemini, January 2022, third week reading for you. Oh, wow. Okay, a new moon. What a way to begin, Gemini. New moons are all about, the energy is all about new beginnings. So having learned a lesson, we move out of that cycle, out of that phase, and we move into a new cycle, a new phase, having learned what we needed to learn, okay? And with that knowledge, we move into the next phase. A new start is coming. Wow, wow, wow. This gives me a very pleasant and happy vibes, okay? So just as you're reading, which I was mentioning a moment earlier, this also seems very, very positive. So let's just look at what, oh wow, even Taurus got this, Aries got this card in the same position, star. Now the star card to me personally, always as an intuitive reader, always talks about wish fulfillment and healing. So there are two messages for all of you. For some of you, this means this new start is going to be very healing for you, okay? It is going to bring about a healing in each and every area where you were suffering, where you were being challenged, where you were, battling, okay? So any area of your life, just sort of put it into your situation, any area that you were struggling, now you're going to find a lot of peace, healing coming into that area. Beautiful. A lot of mending of relationships is also the side message. And for the others of you, this is about a dream that you've always kept very close to your heart. Not a lot of people know about it because you still don't feel comfortable talking about it, or you feel a bit silly, if I may use the word, because your dream is very big. Gemini, you are going to achieve that dream. This new phase, this new cycle, this new start is going to get you started on achieving that big dream that you feel almost silly about. That how can I achieve that big dream? For some of you, it could be becoming a millionaire, and you are now, earning a few thousands, and you will say, are you crazy? I mean, imagine my dream of becoming a millionaire, and I have this dream to start my own business. You will do it. You will do it, Gemini. It is going to be a big achievement. Okay, big. If I can say it in my voice, B-I-G. If I could shout louder, I would. It is that big. Love it for you. Love it for you, Gemini. Don't be ashamed or feel silly about your dream because you are meant to achieve it. Wow. You've drawn a TikTok card, which is all about, to me, in your reading, I'm reading it as it's the right time. You're going to come into the right time in this new phase that you're starting in this new life. You will be achieving it. Okay, now this phase, we don't know how long it is, but this is setting you off on that achieving that huge big dream, or for the others of you, that healing that we were talking about. Okay, and the clock has already started ticking, so you will be aligned with people, situations, opportunities, circumstances, which will give you one step at a time, help you towards achieving that goal. Wow. Yes, and the same place they have, Aries also got this energy, same place. So a lot of you may have Aries placements in your chart. This is that anxious energy which you are shifting out of. Okay, you have completed this cycle, so I'm not even going to talk more about it. You've ended this cycle and you're starting a new cycle. Beautiful. The Lovers, and it is coming right below the star. So for a lot of you star seeds, light workers, your twin flame, soulmate, divine counterpart, whatever label you want to give, you will be aligning with them in this next phase. Wow! Congratulations. For the others of you, the Lovers card is all about partnerships. Okay, it's about partnerships with like-minded people who vibe very well, who have the same dreams and goals and aspirations. So if you are thinking about starting your new business or applying for a new job, and you want to move in with your flat, have a different good flatmate, whatever is your situation, you are going to find somebody who vibes very well with you. Okay, and for a very few of you, and Gemini, incidentally, this is your card, because the twins, okay, Gemini are the twins, and the Lovers to me represent Gemini. Okay, so your own energy in your own reading is very, very positive. A lot of healing energies coming into every relationship of yours in any area, friendships, familyships, romantic, or even co-workers. Beautiful energy, and morality. Okay, now this is about the energy where this is again a past energy, so we are not going to talk much, but let's understand this energy. This is an energy where you were feeling a bit restricted, and you felt you were more in your mental capacity than actually doing it. And the message I get is mostly about your dreams and aspirations. It was only in your mind, as I said, you haven't shared it with anybody. Now you will come out of this anxiety of sharing it with people, and guess what? You are ready to fly to make your dream come true. Wow, Gemini. Oh, you already have a flyer, as I was started shuffling, because your energy is very, very positive. And you've got Hilarion here, the Ascended Master, saying divine healing. Can I make this up? The cards are shuffled in front of you. Definite healing coming into your life in every area. Honor your sensitivity. Retreat to recharge and heal. Your light can support others, because your dream is so big. It is going to give a lot of light to a lot of people, maybe through jobs, maybe through the work that you do, you will share your light. I loved this reading for you yet again, Gemini. If you enjoyed it, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Namaste.